Hey y'all, so I'm back upstate with the fam. This weekend we're going on a family getaway to the mountains, and of course, we have to take y'all along with us, so stay tuned. Somebody is walking all by themselves.
I'm gonna take her.
Auntie Baby walking by herself. Hi! And here's Junior. We're actually going to the mountains to celebrate his 6th birthday. His birthday is tomorrow. You excited?
Yeah!
Yeah! So we finally made it, y'all. It's 11:30 p.m. We are at the Great Peak Mountain Resort, and we'll be spending the weekend here. We're about to check in and get settled. So stay tuned to spend the weekend with us. Of course, my son done found the TV to hook up the video game. After midnight, somebody getting their birthday purchase. Happy holidays! Oh, he's trying to fight that. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. My sister's birthday was last week. My birthday's back to back. Hers was last week. My nephew's today. Give her back her card. And my birthday is next week. Give her back her card.
I'm open it.
Look at all that. I'm going to take your card, girl. I have to have the money in there. Give her her card back.
You better
Give her her card back.
Let me see you open the card.
Give her her
Watch her
card
grab the
back.
money and not say nothing.
That's really TikTok when they ready. You gotta read the card and throw the money. Oh my god! All right. Oh damn! Why they so tight?
Go ahead, look it.
Randy, get your suitcase.
Treat yourself.
Oh, what?
I didn't even see the money. What is Happy birthday, Mama! It's been such a pleasure watching you grow into an amazing young woman. I am so proud of you and look forward to seeing. I can't read. All the big things you will indeed do. Keep striving for the best. Love your big sis, Erica. Oh. Now this one is waiting patiently for his gift. Let's see what Auntie got for you for your birthday.
Y'all opening gifts?
Happy birthday,
That's your birthday?
Let him see what you got. He told me he liked Ninja Turtles. So I got him a Ninja Turtles game for his PS4. Why are you rushing with everybody today? Everybody treat you like that for your birthday.
Don't ever change your love just the way you are. Happy blessed birthday to my handsome, smart grandson, Marlon J. Nanny and Papa love you to the moon and back.
My sister Sade unpacking the groceries. They got me in the kitchen and told me to defrost some snapper to fry. I told them I ain't frying nothing, but
Somebody knocking.
we gonna see. I'm about to put it in the sink to defrost though. That fish down on the plate, they snatched it. I can't believe they had me cooking fish at almost 2 a.m. I made sure I put me a piece on the side. I'm about to tear it up with some hot sauce. Everybody had went down to Starbucks to get breakfast, and they left my baby in the bed with me, and he's been knocked out the whole time. They just came back and bought breakfast. I hope they got me some coffee too. But y'all, I slept good. I needed that sleep. The birthday boy. Happy birthday, baby. How you feeling today?
Good.
Oh, you kissing up your little brother? They got me egg and cheese and bacon. I'm about to break this down.
That you make it nutritious and delicious. All these blessings we ask in your Son Jesus Christ's name. We thank you who provided the food and bless the hands who prepared the food. Amen.
Amen. Jaja making the mimosas with frozen champagne. Let's see if she can get it right.
To the top.
Let's see if she can get it right. You better make my drink right, girl. She did good. So everybody is getting ready for the day. We're getting dressed so we can head out and have some festivities for the day, do some activities. So stay tuned to see what we're gonna do. We're about to get on this mountain coaster ride, Queenie, and you get to control it yourself. I don't really do roller coasters, but we shall see. Junior, you ready to get on the coaster? Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
He gets to go twice because this is his birthday. You ready?
Yeah.
You scared? Are you scared? Look at his face, y'all. He's scared. Don't be scared.
I'm not.
I need to stop messing with my son because he's the one that's driving. He might try to drive me off the mountain. You ready? Don't go too fast, okay?
Okay.
Don't go too fast.
Oh, man.
What did I sign up for, y'all? Okay, when we get to the top, don't go too fast. Okay, now we controlling it.
Oh, now we can come.
Yeah.
No, we're not.
I think we are.
It's not.
Look, we on a roller coaster through the woods, y'all. My son is driving it. You not controlling it yet?
No.
Okay, I think we are controlling it.
No, not yet.
Oh!
This is slow.
You sure you're not controlling it?
No. Oh, except when I get to the top.
I'm sorry. The way we have to sit, y'all gotta see how we sit. It's like
I got my
Shawnee.
I got my headphone in my socks. Wait, show the camera my headphone.
Wait, look. Say hi to the camera.
Hello. look at my headphone. It's out of my.
Okay, now I think you controlling it.
You think so?
Yeah.
No, I'm still not. We're not at the top yet.
I think we are. Try to make it go faster or slower.
It's the top?
Are we controlling it yet?
False peak, you got another ways to go.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna see if it's still not.
Oh! I think you are controlling it.
No, I'm not.
Okay, alright. So just let it go smooth.
Okay. I'm gonna let my hand go.
Don't do that. Put your feet back up.
Listen.
Cause you lose a limb.
I might just lose.
Put your foot back. You sure? Put your foot back.
Ma, this is like.
He don't know how to follow rules, yo.
This is uncomfortable.
My son is almost 6'3", so anything like this is uncomfortable for him.
I am 6'3".
He about 6'3". Look, the way the ride is set up, I have to sit between his legs, and he like I'm pushing him. His legs hurt. It's a long ride. It's the scenic route.
Oh, that's the top.
So the ride is controlling us until we get to the top, and then when we get to the top, we can go as fast or as slow as we want to.
I'm gonna throw up.
How you going to throw up?
Cause look at that top. Look at the top.
Oh, we about to go up to this top, y'all. Look.
Woo, look.
Oh my goodness! Look at this, y'all.
This don't feel good. Ma, you.
I'm sorry. I'm trying. All right, let me lean up and work on my abs. My abs control. And on the side, keep your arms in.
Keep my arms in.
Yes.
I can barely control this thing because my legs is blocking the levels. we just a liability of rip. I hope you ready. You was taking all out the
Sean, seriously, don't go too fast. I'm telling you.
Ish.
Do not go too fast.
It's game time, Mom.
Oh, come on.
It's game time, Mom.
Are we controlling it now?
I think so. I don't know.
Oh, you Sean, don't push it all the way forward. You Sean, put it back some. Slow down.
What are you?
No! It's Sean, I feel like we gonna pull it off. Seriously, slow down. He's wobbling right now. Sean, no, don't go too fast because it feels wobbly. I feel like we're gonna fall off the tracks, y'all. Sean, slow down! Sean, seriously. Come on, I have the camera. Slow down. No, it's already falling off my hands. This is kind of crazy, though. Oh my goodness. I don't do roller coasters. I only got on it because you can control it yourself, but I ain't in control of the wheel. My spine kind of wobbly. Sean, slow down. It's scraping. It's scraping. Just don't stop completely. Just slow down around this curve. Sean, it feels kind of wobbly. Just slow down when you're coming down the curves. Yeah. When you're going around the curves, it kind of feels like it's going to fly off, y'all. It does feel like driving, like a go-kart. It's like a go-kart roller coaster. Okay, slow down. Are you sure? Slow down.
You're the one that's scared.
I am scared. Because it feels, look, we on the side of the cliff, y'all.
Yes.
I do not want to fly off the damn cliff.
I'm showing the camera how you was talking, girl.
I was talking smack, and I'm scared now. I ain't go for it. I'm scared. We was on the side of a cliff. You could kind of see it a little bit, but I couldn't show y'all. I didn't want the camera to fly. Well, it is connected to my neck, so it wasn't going to go completely off.
I got something in my eye.
Man, my eyes watering like I'm almost in tears because my son was trying to kill me. Oh my goodness. That was crazy. So how was it, Mama? Did you like it? It was alright. It was cool. I was scared because my son drives like he crazy. Nah, I ain't doing it again. One time is enough. Well, actually, I do it again, but I have to be driving. I have to be in control of it. I ain't driving with nobody else and letting them control it. We're heading back up to the room so we can go do our next activity. So stay tuned. I'm about to go run up this hill and try to close my Apple Watch rings for the day. We're all about to go to the water park and get lit at the water park. your birthday boy so he can see his spread. Look, baby, look at your birthday dinner.
Amen.
You ready to eat? You ready to go back to sleep? Come on, baby, wake up. You ready to eat? Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. So we just finished packing up everything. We're about to pack up the car and get on the road and head home. Thank you for joining us for our little family weekend getaway, and I'll see you guys next time.